Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David de los Reyes. For this afternoon, I will show you what I did. I assembled the Windbreaker, okay, on our gazebo side door, inside door. So I put the Windbreaker on the right hand side, and so with the front. So when it winds and it's very chilly, oy, you could not feel the cold. So this is a windbreaker for us to avoid chilling when the wind blows and it's very cold. Okay, this one we could rise this up if we are not using it, or just remove it from here. Okay, so actually we could roll this one if it's hot, but if it's windy, we'll be placing this one so it doesn't move. Okay, so that's our windbreaker going to our door to avoid the chilling wind when it winds. Climate here in the USA is becoming colder, so I think this is a good thing that I assembled this windbreaker. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.